Have you ever wondered why your hands sometimes seem to know before your mind does? Why a gentle touch can calm pain, or how a simple gesture can speak louder than words? There's a mystery hidden in your palms, a forgotten power woven into every nerve, every movement. Our hands are not only instruments of action, they are portals of creation. In this video, we will explore the hidden light that flows through your hands, a current that connects the mind, the heart, and the invisible world of energy. By the end, you will learn to awaken this light, to use your hands not just to touch, but to transform. Chapter 1: The Language of Energy. Everything in existence vibrates. Atoms, light, thought, all are frequencies dancing to unseen rhythms. Your body, too, is an orchestra of energy, constantly giving and receiving signals. And at the center of this exchange stand your hands. Ancient texts called them the instruments of the soul. Science describes them as the body's most complex network of sensors, housing over 170,000 nerve endings that respond to emotion, intention, and even subtle magnetic fields. When you raise your hand in blessing, when you write, create, or comfort, you are not only moving muscles, you are transmitting energy. Every gesture carries an invisible message into the quantum field around you. Chapter 2: The Geometry of Creation. Throughout nature, there is one pattern that repeats endlessly. The spiral of galaxies, the unfurling of shells, the curve of your fingers, all guided by the same mathematical rhythm, the divine ratio, or phi, approximately 1.618. This ratio, the golden proportion, is not just beauty, it is balance. It is the code through which energy flows without resistance. When the shape of something follows this geometry, energy circulates freely, and that is why your hands, formed by the same sacred ratio, are perfect antennas for energy exchange. In ancient temples, priests would raise their hands toward the sun, not in worship alone, but to align themselves with this universal design, to become one with the pattern that sustains all life. Chapter 3: Thought, Emotion, and Intention. The energy your hands emit is shaped by what fills your mind and heart. Your thoughts give direction. Your emotions give power. Your intention gives purpose. These three forces, when united, create what mystics call the Trinity of Manifestation. Without emotion, thought is empty. Without focus, emotion is chaos. Without presence, both vanish into noise. When you merge them together, your thought, emotion, and conscious awareness, your hands become radiant tools of creation. This is not magic, it is resonance. The universe responds to coherence, and coherence begins with you. Chapter 4: The Flow Between Hands. Now bring your attention to your palms. Close your eyes. Imagine tiny suns glowing in the center of each. With each breath, they expand, warm, golden, alive. Slowly bring your palms closer together. Stop before they touch. Feel that subtle tension, that invisible cushion of warmth or vibration. This is your biofield, the living aura of your energy body. This is the bridge between the seen and unseen. It's the same flow used in Reiki, Qigong, and pranic healing. But here you are learning to feel it directly. No symbols, no rituals, just awareness. Chapter 5. The Mirror of the Heart. The hands are extensions of the heart. In every ancient tradition, healers began with compassion, not skill, not training, but love. When you place your hand upon your chest and breathe deeply, the electrical field of your heart expands, and through your palms it radiates outward into the world. Modern instruments can measure this. The heart's electromagnetic field is 60 times stronger than that of the brain. When love flows through you, it reorganizes the field around you, turning chaos into harmony, disorder into coherence. So when you heal with your hands, remember, it is not you doing the healing. You are simply letting love flow through you, unblocked, unresisted. Chapter 6. Awakening the Radiant Circuit. Let's activate this energy now. Step 1. Rub your palms together for 60 seconds. Feel the heat building. That's your life force awakening. Step 2. Hold them a few inches apart and breathe slowly. Visualize light spiraling from one palm to the other clockwise. As the energy grows, feel your palms pulse with awareness. Step 3. Direct that light toward an area of your body that feels tired or tense. Don't force, simply allow the energy to flow. Imagine golden threads weaving harmony into your cells. For 5 minutes, stay in this state, aware, calm, loving. Notice the shift, not only in your body, but in your mind. This is the psychic power of your hands, awareness turned into light. Chapter 7. The Healer Within. You don't need to be born special to use this ability. Every human carries it, though few remember. Healing through your hands is not about power, it's about presence. When you are fully present, the universe moves through you effortlessly. You can send this healing to others, to plants, to water, even to memories, because energy does not care about distance. It responds to intention. The more loving your focus, the clearer the transmission. Each time you use your hands consciously to bless, to comfort, to create, you are sculpting reality at its subtle foundation. Your touch becomes prayer. Your gesture becomes light. Conclusion. The hands that shape reality. Look at your hands one more time. Every line is a river of energy. Every motion a whisper between the seen and unseen. You have always held the ability to heal, to harmonize, to create. All it asks of you is awareness. The next time you reach out to touch the world, remember, you are not just moving flesh and bone. You are extending the consciousness of creation itself. Your hands are bridges of light, and through them, the universe feels itself alive.